Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So in front of us is the 2023 Audi S5 sedan. It's finished off in a beautiful red. They have a starting MSRP just over $55,000. This is a very practical family style vehicle that also has some performance to it. You can get a few different trim levels, but powering the S5 is a 3-liter turbocharged V6. It's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission, pumping out 354 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque, sent through that Quattro all-wheel drive system, propelling this 3,900-pound sedan from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Top speed is 155. So like I said, very performance-oriented, yet practical for the whole family. Now up front, this has the black optics package, which provides all of the gloss black for the hexagonal grille, the trim accents, even the lower section of the bumper. The Audi badge is blacked out. This has a forward-facing camera with not only all the parking sensors, but also the sensors for the adaptive cruise. So it's nice to see those tucked away, where there's also functional air inlets on the far corners. Now this has LED headlights, DRLs, and turn signals, and 4 distinctive lines that come down the hood. So they meet the top of that grille very nicely. Gives it a bold appearance for this family style vehicle. Now this has a really nice set of 20-inch wheels with that two-tone design, red S calipers to match the exterior paint. Gloss black is on the power folding side mirrors with the camera system and the integrated turn signal. This even has a sunroof up top. All of the window trim is gloss black, and it has a great design from the side. It looks like a traditional sedan. As you'll see here soon, it is classified as a hatchback because of the rear, which you'll see, but there's nice crisp lines that flow down the side, leading all the way to the back, where this does have a small trunk mounted spoiler. Audi badge is blacked out, LED taillights, camera and parking sensors, and then that quad tip dual exhaust. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this is more of a hatchback because if I double tap the button on the key fob, the entire glass section opens up. So it's not a normal trunk, but I like it because it gives you that much more practicality for this type of vehicle. With the back seats up, plenty of space, there's a spare up underneath, and you have a few straps to secure some items, but you can also remove that cover and fold the seats down so you can fit maybe a small bicycle or something like that. It gives you a lot more versatility in order to fit some larger items. As we work our way to the back, the inside is really where you want to be for this model, because we have carbon fiber, Alcantara leather, Bang & Olufsen sound system, even the brushed aluminum accents. It is a great touch. All of the red stitching for these leather seats. And there's plenty of room for me at 5'10". There's climate adjustments, auxiliaries, even some storage nets. There's the armrest with a little bit of storage on the back section and cup holders, and you can even fold this one down by itself. So if you need a little bit more space, you have the option to do that, which is great. Now the front door panel is finished off just like the rear. There's the window adjustments, side mirror adjustments, which are heated, memory seating adjustments, a liftgate release, and a little bit of storage. And then same design for the seats, of course. However, the front seats are massaging, so we have that function located down below. Let's fire this up. We have solid and perforated leather with all the red stitching, Bluetooth and voice commands, along with volume and tuning, and the heated steering wheel. On the left side, this is how you go through the virtual cockpit. So you can scroll through all this information, just depending on what you would like to see. If we go back to this screen here, we have a lot more of the vitals that you can take a look at, but you can also click on view and bring that up in full screen, or smaller screen I should say. So that way you can still go through that info on the left side and then have some more front and center. This also has paddle shifters, and then on the left side, good amount of storage space, more carbon fiber, and all of the headlight adjustments. And then for the infotainment system, you have several icons to go through, from your vehicle to your help. You have some messages, calendar, you have the split style too. But we can also go into vehicle and get into the drive select, so the different driving modes. You have navigation when that's equipped, your phone, music, and back to home. So it's pretty simple in this model, but it gives you everything that you need. Air vents underneath that with carbon fiber, leading to this small screen for all of your climate adjustments with the aluminum toggles in the middle, heated seat adjustments and temperatures, along with some other recircs. Now there is a shortcut to the drive select. There's the engine start stop along with the traction control, parking sensors. You can even turn that upper screen off if you need to. A little bit of storage with some auxiliaries with 2 cup holders and even more storage behind that. And with this in reverse, we have the 360 camera. So that gives you an ample amount of visibility around this entire vehicle, which is great. Drive is back, and then manual mode is here. You can use the paddles, of course, if you need to. E-brake is just behind that. A little bit more storage behind the volume and power for the audio. And then in the center armrest, there's the wireless charging pad with a little bit of space. You can even adjust this as needed, which is nice. More storage in the glove box, of course. And then we have the automatic sunshade. The rest of those adjustments are in the middle. There are touch sensitive dome lights and a good look at visibility. It's easy to see in both directions. Well, let's go ahead and get this S5 out on the road. And down to second gear, here we go. Even coming around a turn, this feels so planted and solid that you could really have some fun with this on back roads like this. And then when you're in normal traffic, it's just a normal everyday style vehicle. So it's really cool to see those characteristic aspects from this Audi, because Audi is a little bit more on the luxury side, not so much performance focused. Like I mentioned, you can get the RS model, which has a lot more performance to it, but it's still kind of tamed back towards being more luxury focused. So it's something that you can drive on a daily basis. Let's face it, most of the time you're driving, you're in traffic like this, so you're not really doing performance style driving, even though you may have those characteristics. So this is a really good blend between both of those, giving you that peppiness you're looking for, but then that luxury feel while this is your daily commuter. It's so comfortable and quiet. From second gear, here we go again. And just like that, we're up to speed. Does it with ease. And that's not even doing anything too crazy, because this is not my vehicle, but it has a lot more potential than that, even for this S model trim. But I think that's going to wrap it up for this 2023 Audi S5 sedan. Once again, a huge shout out to Audi Northlake for providing this vehicle for me today. Be sure to check out their website. That link is down below. Give the video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and smash that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.